Welcome to the IQAP Facebook Messenger chatbot. This video will show you how to get connected to a counselor through the Facebook Messenger app on your smartphone. Once you send a greeting, it will understand the language you are using and will prompt a series of relevant questions in that language to then connect you with the counselor that best suits you. Some of the questions will include your current city, latest education provider, academic results, the course you'd like to study, your tuition fee budget, country of citizenship, and your level of English proficiency. Once you have answered all the questions, you will be sent a link where you will be able to connect with the right counselor and see relevant information about them, including their name, academic and career background, nationality, current location, languages spoken, number of applicants, rating, and a bio they have added. Through this link, you will be able to choose who would be the best fit for you, or sometimes even be matched directly. Once you have chosen a counselor, you will be taken to your portal where you can contact the counselor by sending them a chat text message. After that, your counselor can guide you to all the steps required to get enrolled and give you the best guidance possible when it comes to study options, understanding of your intended destination, the admissions process, etc. These are the steps to get connected to your counselor. Good luck with your academic journey. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.